Tenders have been invited for parking space on Dadri to Chidia Road in the district, for which a security amount of 1 lakh will have to be deposited in the office along with the draft cash documents. The security amount of the unsuccessful tender will be returned on the spot. The terms and conditions of the place selected for the parking space can be seen on any working day on 10 February before 5 p.m. The last date for tenders is 10 February. Tenders can be submitted till 5 p.m. at the Red Cross office. All the received tenders will be opened on 11 February at 11 a.m. by the committee constituted at the Nagar Adhikari office. Those doing excellent work in the field of e-governance will be honored. You can apply for National Award till 15 February. Those doing excellent work in the field of e-governance for good governance will be honored by the central government. Like every year, this year also national awards are to be given for e-governance. The last date for applications of which is 15 February till 5 p.m. for these applications can be made on the Government of India website nceg.gov.in. Deputy Commissioner Munish Sharma told in this respect that applications have been invited by the central government to provide awards to the people doing good work in the field of e-governance. Applications can be made through online medium for this. The Government of the India website nceg.go.in used. He told that while applying, the office has to be informed by applying according to the category of award in point number 4 of Annexure 1 and 4, getting any information and help related to the award application. The office can be contacted. The city magistrate heard complaints of the public in the Samadhan camp. On Friday, CTM assist someone heard the problems of the people along with the officers of various departments of the district in the Samadhan camp and gave instructions to solve them on the instructions of the Chief Minister Naib Singh Saini. District and sub-division level Samadhan camps are being organized. Through these camps, people's problems are being resolved at one place. While listening to the complaints of the people in the camp, the CTM said that Samadhan camp is such an initiative of the Haryana government, through which along with solving the problems of the people, the pending complaints in the government office are also being resolved. People do not need to go around different offices, and this also give a lot of relief to the people. Complaints related to Panchayat Department, Family Identity Card, Municipal Corporation, Electricity Distribution Corporation are received in the camp, on which the Nagaradhis ordered immediately action. He said that the complaints related to PPP are being investigated immediately and correct update in them. The district administration is making every effort to provide the maximum number of eligible people the benefits of the public welfare schemes of Haryana and central government. If any citizen is deprived of the current schemes, he can come to camp and give his complaints. Action will be taken on the immediately. Employees and officers of various departments were present on this occasion. Vocational guidance week was organized by the Employment Department in various educational institutions of the district, under which more than 500 students were provided vocational guidance. During this, district employment officer Kumari Sasi, Assistant Employment Officer Mayank Agarwal and Dharmender Malik played an important role as expert the District Employment Office. said that as per the order of employment department, Haryana headquarters vocational guidance week was celebrated in the district from 27 January to 31st. District Employment Office and Sub-Divisional Employment Office level through which students were guided in Government Industrial Training Institute, Satur, Government Senior Secondary School, Samajpur, Government Higher Secondary School, Samajpur, Government Higher Secondary School, Rawaldi, and Ekallavya Senior Secondary School, Barla. During this, more than 500 students participated in the program. In the program, he told the students about the examination of Union Public Service Commission and Haryana Civil Service Commission, how to prepare for the competitive examination, and also about discipline in students' life and how you deal with failure, stress and depression are positive. Where how to increase your skill and personality development. Under the Har Ghar Har Ghrani scheme, 824 eligible families have been registered in the district so far. On the instructions of Chief Minister Naib Singh Saini, special camps will be organized at various places for registration under the scheme till February 7. On the instruction of Chief Minister Naib Singh Saini, special registration camps are being organized to provide gas cylinders at 500 per cylinder to women of eligible families under the Har Ghar Har Ghrani scheme. So far, women of a total of 800 eligible families have been registered in the campus organized in various villages and cities of the district. A total of 220 registrations were done on Thursday. District Food and Supply Officer Sanjeev Kumar said that on Saturday, February 1, special camps will be organized in Maknana, Sahuwas, Chidia, Maknani, Ghasola, Akhtiarpura, Tiwala, Mehda, Kohlawas, Mishri, Fatehgarh, Mankawas, Saurupgarh, Shator, Bhageshwari, Achina, Un, Haroda Kala, Harodi Khurd, Bilawal, Bardai, Javeli, Jaisri, Joju Khurd, Dadri Ward number 13, Champapuri Ward number 17, Gudana, Fatehgarh, Khatiwas and Shishwala, and women of eligible families will be registered under the scheme. Influx of people to condole the death of MLA's sister. Many political, social and religious organization members and activists visited the Dadri residence of former Minister Satpal Sangwan's daughter and Dadri MLA Sunil Satpal Sangwan to condole the death of his sister. They also consoled the family members in this power of grief. During this, they expressed their deep condolence to the Barrowwood family. Among those who condoled the death of MLA Sunil Sangwan at his Dadri residence were Assembly Speaker Harvinder Kalyan, Karnal MLA Jagmohan Anand, Asand MLA Yogendra Rana, Hasi MLA Binod Bhayana, Badra MLA Umed Patwas, Nalwa MLA Randhir Panihar, former MLA Ranveer Mandola, former MLA Sasi Parmar, former MLA Sukhvinder Mandi, former MLA Sombir Gagadwas, Fogart Khap Pradhan, Suresh Fogart, Sangwan Khap, Sikanni Pradhan Master, Tara Chand, Congress leader Anil Dhankad, Christian Association head Sombir Ghasola, Dr. Om Prakash Adampur, Pradeep Mandoli, Sarpanch and municipal councillors of many villages as well as members of many organizations are included. So please take care. Namaskar, Adab, Sat Sri Akal. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.